1 second.
Well, a few minutes ago started departures, and now there's warnings, but the system will be backed up. And the key is, once the airplane's out of position, I said it'll take a good to get us back to normal. And Dodger mentioned whether it was in my car literally made up and down. And as I started to ring, my wife reporting the county, she was with her and the next thing is all the cell phones busy constantly. You could not get it up calling everybody else. Wow, did you hear that? That's a lot more anticipation and scaration why your cell phone's working. And everybody asked they were able to get any cell site or any coverage. But it was just that the system gets overloaded. Everybody's, as I say, here at the Brooklyn Bridge, definitely start as you come southbound. One drive, everybody queuing up out of the city. So you get early, New Jersey, but a lot of say to work today. A lot of these folks out in Brooklyn walk across the Bridge. See folks starting to stream out of the city. That's underway. It is just a lot of heavy volume. We've not heard serious traffic in the tri-state. Shouting, they tell us the Holland people and traffic in operate. Their frequency, that's what will be word normal down here. So we're going to roam around in parts of the city, but that's what it looks like.
Joe, not a bad idea, folks, to leave Philly. Maybe fortunate because it's such a gorgeous down walk. As he said, there was no asphalt in Park Airport. It was early rush hour building there open, so people said issues. And how it came right when the call one because you felt, I know, respect that Long Island.
Scary or earthquake. It happened. It was just scary.